Welcome back to my American friends. Welcome back my channel. Etsy is an American e-commerce company focused on handmade or vintage items and craft supplies. The vintage items must be at least 20 years old. This site follows on the tradition of open crafts. Followers in the tradition of craft fairs giving sellers personal storefronts where they list their goods for a fee of 0.20 US dollar per item. Eastay founded a 18 June 2005 mean 16-year-old founder Robert Kalin, Charis McGruer, Ham Sichopik, Jarat Raibil. Headquarters New York, United States of America. Revenue $1.725 billion. Operating income $424 million. Net income $349.246 million. Total $2.404 billion. Total equity $742.424 million. As of December 2018, Eastay had over 16 million items in the marketplace, and the online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods connected 2.1 million sellers with 39.4 million buyers at the end of 2018. Etsy had 874 employers in 2018. Etsy had total sales of gross sales GMS of $3.93 billion on the platform. In 2018, Etsy granted of revenue $603.7 million and registered in net income as $41.5 million. The platform generates revenue primarily from the streams of marketplace revenue include a fee of 5% final sale value, which an Etsy seller pays for each completed transaction on top of listing fee of 20 cents per item seller services. It is a fastest growing revenue stream includes fees for service such as promoted listing, payment processing and purchases of shipping labels through the platform. Wheel of other revenue includes fees received from third-party payment process. Creating a shop on Etsy is free. However, each listing that is posted in the shop costs 20 cents. Each listing will remain on the shop's page for a maximum 4 months or until someone buys the product. The prices products are set by the shop owner, but Etsy claims 5% of the final sale price of each listing. Shop owners are sent bill at the end of every month detailing the fees Etsy has charged them, and they have until the 15th of the following month to pay the fees. Sellers can choose which payment option to offer. Buyers include credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, among others. One On the Etsy homepage, potential buyers can type a product description into the search bar, or attractively they browse through listing of optional on the left side of the home page, which includes art, home and living, jewelry, women, men, kids, vintage, weddings, crafts, suppliers, trending items, gift ideas, mobile accessories and more. Furthermore, buyers may choose from a list of the categories by clicking on the categories link under more ways to shop. This will bring the user to page of over 30 categories, each counting subjects. When a buyer view product, they can choose to view the positive percentage feedback of each seller to determine the reliability of the shop. Once a buyer finds a product they would like to buy, they click add the craft and that product added to their virtual shopping cart. The buyer may then continue shopping or purchase selected item. In order to purchase items, buyers do not have to have an account with Etsy and register with a Facebook or Google account. Etsy received for a handling of customer data and privacy. As a 2016, according to BA privacy policy section on the website, by using Etsy, you authorize Etsy to use your information in the United States, Ireland, and any other country where Etsy operation. Office in New York. Etsy is popular as a side business as well as place to buy goods made from recycled and matrix, along with less expensive or more unusual versions of mass product items. The unique nature of the items sale part their appeal. Some shoppings product photos on Etsy, the editorial and categories style sale on add 13 tags to their product to help buyer find them, and buyers can choose search for items available locally. Etsy staff able publish list of the items. Most sellers are women who tend to be a college educated and their twins and thirds. Individual stay at CA sellers decide which payments option to offer buyers. These options